In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to comments in Microsoft Word. If you collaborate on documents, replying to comments is one of the quickest ways to keep feedback organized and easy to follow. We'll walk through the exact process, and I'll share a few tips so your replies are clear and connected to the right place. Start by opening your Word document and going to the Review tab. This is the hub for collaboration tools in Word, including comments, tracking changes, and comparing documents. You'll find it along the top ribbon of the Word window. Being on the Review tab makes sure the comment tools you need are visible when you're ready to respond. Next, locate the comment you want to reply to. Depending on your view, comments may appear as balloons in the right margin next to the relevant text, or they may be listed in a comments pane. Both show the same information, so use whichever view you're most comfortable with. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the specific comment you intend to respond to, especially if there are several comments clustered around the same section. Click directly on that comment to select it. You should see it highlighted, which tells you Word knows this is the thread you're working with. Selecting the comment first is important because your reply will be attached to this thread, keeping the conversation neatly grouped under the original note rather than starting a separate comment elsewhere. Now click the reply button that appears inside the comment box. When you do, Word opens a reply field right under the original comment, creating a threaded response. This keeps discussions tidy and makes it easy for collaborators to see what was said and when. Type your response in the reply field. Be specific about what you're addressing, especially if the original comment has multiple points. If you're agreeing to make a change, say what change you'll make. If you need clarification, ask a clear follow-up question. Your reply will appear indented beneath the original comment, so anyone reviewing the document can follow the conversation at a glance. Repeat this process for any other comments throughout the document. Working methodically helps ensure you don't miss feedback, and keeping your replies concise and focused will make the overall review smoother for everyone. When you're finished, save your document so your replies are preserved. A quick keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac is handy. That's it. Simple, clear, and organized comment replies in Word.